Good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Leaf Classes. I am Anjali. As we have completed all the string functions in 3 videos of string handling in Java, today I am here with the questions of previous year from year 2012 to 2019 of section A, right? So we'll be doing all these questions. I'll be solving it. These questions are there in the PDF format also. The link is given in the description box. You can download and check that. Please try to solve that, and if any problem, please watch that question again in the video, and all the best to all of you. The first question from 2012, the value of string S is given examination, then N is the length of the string S, and then we have two print statements. Whenever you have to write the output, please take care whether you are writing using print or print ln, then accordingly the output will be in the same line or different lines, okay? So within the bracket it is S dot starts with, and within this S dot substring. These two functions already we have done in third video of string handling, so you can refer to that for further explanation. First, always the inner bracket is solved, so you can draw a line in the answer sheet on the right side, and there you can solve, and in the answer you can just write the output, that is sufficient. So S dot substring. Substring function extracts the character from this starting till this excluding the last index number. So whenever the string is there, last time also I told you it is always better to put the index number in the string 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have total from 0 to 10, that means the value of n will be 11. The length of n string S is 11, that is stored in n. So S dot substring 5 comma n, what will be the result of this? Starting from 5 till 10, 11th will not be there, so it will be nation, and then it is S dot starts with. String S is starting with nation? No. So the answer of this will be false. The next is S dot caret of 2 equals to caret of 6. Caret of 2 is A, caret of 6 is also A. So this is comparing, and the result will be in Boolean type, false for the first statement and true for the second statement. Always when you write, please take care that F and T should not be capital. Boolean values are always written in small, okay? The next question again from year 2012. State the data type and values of A and B after the following statement is executed. String S1 equals to computer, S2 equals to applications, then S1 dot compare to S2. You have to tell the return type of A and B, as we have already done. Compare to function gives you the value in int, so you can write the output, the answer like this: return type, and here A and B, for the variables A and B, return type is int, and for B it is equals function gives you always Boolean answer, so it will be Boolean. And now what will be the value? S1 dot S2. So already we have discussed, and I am telling you again, the first character ASCII value minus first character ASCII value of second string. So the ASCII value of C is A is 65, B is 66, C is 67. So 67 minus 65. So the ASCII value of C minus the ASCII value of A will give you answer 2. So here you can write the value of A will be 2, and S1 dot equals S2. S1 is computer, S2 is applications. Are they equal? Are they identical? No. So the answer will be false, right? Now, one more question was there in section A in year 2012. So if we see the question paper, in section A only 6 marks question were there from string handling. Now string S is Malayalam, system.out.println s.index of m. Index of function returns the first index number of the character in the given string. So where it is occurring? At 0th index number. So the output of this statement will be 0. Then s dot last index of m. The last occurrence is this. So let us check what is the index number. 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is like this. Index of gives the starting index number of the given character. Last index of function gives the last index number of the given character. So it is 0 and 8. The next question is from year 2013. To find the values of str1 and str2, S1 is given good and S2 is given world/matters. Now S2 dot substring of 5. Substring function, if one starting arguments is given, then it starts from that till end. So if we check the index number, it is the 5th index number is 5. So it will start from 5 till last index number. So it is 5/matters. But here dot replace t comma n. So this will be used as string for this function. So here dot replace t comma n, that means wherever t is occurring, that will be replaced by n. What will be your output? /MANNERS. Wherever t is there, that is replaced by n, right? So the value of str1 will be /MANNERS. Now second, S1 dot concat str1. str2 will be S1. S1 is good and str1. Now str1 is this. So the output will be good/manners. So this is how you will write the answer. Only this much writing is sufficient. This work you can do in the rough line. Okay. Now the questions from year 2014. First is give the output. String str1 equals to great, str equals to minus. Now two print statements are there. Let us solve this. First is str1 dot substring 0, 2. Always whenever the string values are given, it is better to put the index number in the beginning itself. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After writing the index number, let us solve this. str1 dot substring 0, 2. Start from 0 till 2, but excluding 2, that means 0 and 1. So the output of this will be gr dot. This will work as the first string for concat function. Now dot concat, what will be the solution of this bracket? str2. str2 is minus, minds, dot substring of 1. That means starting index number is given. So from starting till end. So here it is inds. So what will be the result of gr dot concat inds? So the output will be joining of both the strings. So you will get the output grinds. Now let us move to the second one, wh plus. So in the beginning we will write wh plus str1 dot substring of 2. From str1 starting from second index number, all the characters are extracted. So this is EAT dot to uppercase. That means this will be converted into uppercase and we will get EAT. So the output of next line will be WHEAT. Right? So this much you have to write for the output. The next question of the same year is, give the data type, return data type for the following functions. So you know that compare to function returns int data type and equals function return boolean value. So always whenever we are writing, please take care of the capital or small letter. All the data types are in small except S of string. The next question from year 2015, give the output string A equals to smartphone, B equals to graphics space art, H equals to A dot substring 2 comma 5. As I told you, we must put the index number in the beginning only. 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So A is smartphone starting from second index number till fifth index number excluding 5 will be stored in variable H. So ART. H will be ART. This is the value of H. B dot substring of 8 starting from 8th index number till end. So it is ART, capital ART is the value of K. Now you have to print H. H is ART. We have printed the output for the first print statement, that is H value, and H is art. Then the second print statement says K dot equals ignore case H. K is ART in capital, H is ART in small, but since equals ignore case function is used, so the output will be true because it will compare character by character after ignoring the case. So I hope this is clear. If you see the questions of section A of string functions, mostly concat, substring, index, these functions are always asked in section A. Now the question from year 2016, give the output of the following string functions. So index of, last index of, these two functions are used. So we must put the index number in the given string 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same is here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So Mississippi dot index of S. Index of function gives you the first index number of the occurrence of this character. So it is 2. The first time where S is appearing in the string, that is 2 plus this plus sign. Then Mississippi dot last index of I. So where the last occurrence of I is there, that is at index number 10. So answer of this will be 10. So this you will write the output like this. Okay. The next is cable dot compare to cadet. Now compare to function uses ASCII value for comparison. First character of both the strings, if they are same, then it goes for second character. Here the second character is also same. So now it will go to the third character. So we must know the ASCII values. You can write the ASCII values also in the side A, B, C, D, because we want till D only. So this is 65, 66, 67 and 68. So the ASCII value of B is 66 and the ASCII value of D is 68. So the answer will be minus 2. So the output of this function will be minus 2. I hope compare to function is clear to you. If it is not, please refer to the string videos. Now we move on to year 2017. In this, the string is given as array. Array string is there. So we know whenever the array elements are given, the first index number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can always write like that. System.out.println 0, 1. What will be the output of this? Yes, it is Nokia. X1, that means the first index number, first subscript value of array X. The next is X3. What is X3? This micromax is X3 dot length. Now we have to find the length of this micromax. So how many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the output of this will be 8. So like this, the questions are asked in the exam. Please be little more careful when you are writing X3 dot length. In that you will not start from 0. Length will give you total number of characters of the given string. Okay. The second question from year 2017. String S equals to today is test. System.out.println s.index of t. Index of function gives you the index number of the first occurrence of this character. So it is 0. So the output of first line will be 0. Then the second line s dot substring 0, 7. We must give the index number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So starting from 0 index number till 7 but excluding 7. So from 0 to 6 it is TODAY and space I. Right? Then after this a space is added here plus holiday. So it is holiday. So your output of the second line will be today space I holiday. So don't get confused when it is written 7 here and you are including 7. Please don't do that. It has to be till 7 but excluding that character. Okay. So output is today I holiday. Please take care of the uppercase and lowercase characters too. Now we move on to year 2018. Two print statements are given and the question says choose the correct option for the output of the above statements. So first is best. Best is printed with print statement. So after printing best, the cursor will remain on the same line. So after printing best, the cursor will be on the same line and of luck will be printed. So best of luck will be on the same line. So your option 1 is the correct option. So you will write best of luck and you can put the option number also. Okay. Then the second question, give the return type of the following function. The function name is ends with. So this you know that this function returns Boolean value. It is used to check whether the given string ends with the specified given string or not. So the answer is Boolean type. Okay. Third question from year 2018. Give the output system.out.println incredible plus \n plus world. \n is the new line escape sequence character which takes the cursor to the new line. So the output of this will be incredible and then \n will take you to the next line and the next value will be printed on the next line. So this is the output, right? The next question is give the output achievement dot replace E, A. So wherever letter E is there, it will be replaced by letter A. So the output will be ACHIA. This E will be replaced by A. V, again E will be replaced by A. M, again this will be A. N, T. So this will be the output of this function. Then we have dedicate dot compare to devote. Previous also we have done. Now this D is same like this, E is same. Now the difference is here this D and then this V. So from first string the character ASCII value is subtracted of second one. Okay. So the ASCII value of capital D you can write like this: A, B, C, D, what we want, 65, 66, 67, 68. So 68 minus the ASCII value of V. So we can write the ASCII value of V, you can write the ASCII value of capital A to Z is from 65 to 90. So we can write U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and it is V is 86. So 68 minus 86. So the answer will be minus 18. So like this the questions are asked in the exam. One more question from year 2018 only. This is string array Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, Lucknow, Jaipur. So we can give the index numbers like this. First print statement ARR 0, that is Delhi, dot length. What is the length of this? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the length of Delhi is 5. Greater than symbol ARR 3. The length of Lucknow is 7. 5 greater than 7. It is false. So the output of first print statement will be false. And since it is written print ln, so the next output will be on the next line. Then ARR 4 dot substring. ARR 4 we have Jaipur dot substring from Jaipur, from starting from 0 till 3 but excluding 3 till 0, 1, 2, these characters will be extracted and it will be displayed. So the output of this statement is JAI. So we are getting the output false and JAI after execution of these three statements. So if you have seen in 2018 the maximum number of questions are asked from string handling functions. So the next question is from year 2019. Give the output string S1 equals to Phoenix and S2 is island. Print ln S1 dot substring of 0. That means starting from 0th index number all the characters are extracted. So this part will give you PHOENIX. Complete dot concat. Concat function will be used. S2 dot substring of 2. Here 0, 1, 2. Starting from 2 all the characters will be included. So the output of this will be PHOENIX and LAN. These two strings will be joined using concat function. And the second output is S2 dot uppercase. S2 is island. So it will be converted to capital using 2 uppercase function. 2 uppercase function converts the given string into uppercase. So the output of these two statements will be Phoenix land without any space in between and island in uppercase. Okay. So you have seen that string functions are very important from your exams point of view, and I hope all of you have understood. And in case of any doubt, please watch the video again, and again if you feel any problem, please do comment. I will try to solve your doubts. The link to all the playlists are also given in the description box. You may check that, and you can watch the videos according to your requirement. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get the notifications for all the videos and no important topic is missed by you. Keep practicing, keep solving, keep working hard. God bless you.